Hi, Alison here from Gardening by Design with a quick video tip on growing plants described as ericaceous. Late spring is a time when many ericaceous plants come to prominence, with camellias, rhododendrons and azaleas in flower, and acers and pieris putting out new leaves, often with great colour. Most gardeners know that these plants have some particular requirements to grow healthily, and the phrase often used is they need an acid soil. But it's a little bit more subtle than that, and understanding exactly what's going on with the plants and the soil helps to know whether or not you can grow them. So what does an acid soil actually mean? All elements are measured on the pH scale from 1, extremely acid, to 14, extremely alkaline, and soil is measured in the same way. Any garden soil in which you have a hope of growing anything sits roughly in the middle. 7 is neutral, as you would expect, and a soil of 5.5 to 6 is extremely acid by soil standards, and 8 is pretty alkaline. So why does this matter? It matters to ericaceous plants because the soil pH, whether it is acid or alkaline, influences the nutrients, not the nutrients that are in the soil, but the nutrients that are available to the plants through the roots. And the level of different nutrients influences what you can grow and what will thrive. In the case of ericaceous plants, they are described as needing an acid soil. What this really means is that they suffer, particularly on extremely alkaline soils, because calcium is the mineral that primarily makes soils alkaline on the scale, and calcium traps iron in the soil through a chemical reaction, making it unavailable to plant roots. Now, all plants need iron to make chlorophyll, the green substance which enables them to photosynthesize. But ericaceous plants are particularly susceptible to low levels of iron in the soil where it's been trapped by the calcium, and that makes them go that typical yellowy leaf colour and really struggle. So it's clear to see that ericaceous plants will thrive on an acid soil. Most sandy soils are quite acid because there is plenty of iron available with very little calcium to trap it. But they can also be grown on a neutral soil. My clay is neutral and I grow quite a lot of these plants. And that's because the neutral clay has some calcium, but not enough to trap so much iron that you cannot correct it by using a dose of an ericaceous fertilizer in spring. This provides extra iron into the soil in a form that is immune to being trapped by the calcium and therefore remains available for those ericaceous plants to take up, make plenty of chlorophyll and have healthy glossy green leaves.
There's more information about how the box of tricks can help you to plan, plant and look after your plot on my Gardening by Design website, where you can also buy topics and sign up for the newsletter. I hope to see you again soon. Happy gardening!